What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am super excited but also extremely cautious and skeptic. I'm a skeptic at this point, and I'm skeptical of this product that we're about to use. So this is an air sofa and I'm so excited to try it. And why I'm skeptical is because you simply go with air to fill it up and it's supposed to work. So I'm very curious. So it comes with this nice backpack type thing. So let's go ahead, open it up. So this is a patch for it, and this is it. You got two ends, you got one opening, you pull the other side and you have a second opening. So one opening, two opening. And you fill each side up first, like this. Now you can run and fill it with air or just quickly do it like this. Make sure you seal it when you do that, and then what you do is you twist it. Push the air to the front of it and then you untwist it, and then you do that to the other side. So then you take the other side, and before you open it up you get it ready. And you just keep repeating that same process. And there you go. Like I said, once you twist it, take the ends, seal it back in, and there you go. There you have it. So once you have, it's a little workout. Once you got enough air in just to keep your butt from hitting the ground, that's all you need. You can put stuff in the pockets here. Good for tanning. Use it in water, use it indoors, wherever you want to use it at. It's comfortable. Once you're inside, it's very comfortable. Now, I'm 200 pounds, holds me perfectly fine. The lighter you are, the less air you need. So let's go ahead and recap how that works. So when you're done filling it with air and twisting it, you just simply put it back together like this. When you're done, you just unwound it like that, and then the air starts coming out. So if you want the air out, you just simply keep it open, pull the air out. And you can wrap it up again. Let's quickly do it now that we've done it a couple times. We know what we're doing. So, recap. Well, it's a good exercise. Doesn't need any electric, no pump. I've seen people use it on pools, at beaches and whatnot. So you can use it in the water, you can use it indoors, outdoors. Think of it like an air hammock. So it's not going to be like an air mattress where, I mean, you probably could take a nap on it, I'm not sure. But it's not like an air mattress where it fills up and it gets hard of air. So it's kind of like soft air, and it allows you to kind of to sink down in, relax. Use it for tanning, use it for studying, use it for whatever you really want. Take it for camping, trips and stuff like that. You know, don't go jumping on it. Don't like dive on it. You just simply fill it up with air. And you can lay on it. So it's just like that. Now, go side to side to get it evened out, because it will be a little uneven at first, but it works great. So whatever you want to use it for, go ahead and use it for it. So with that being said, it's the first time I've ever come across something like this. At first it was a little confusing to get it to get the air in. I thought I had to like fill the whole thing up with air. So I thought from like start to finish the whole thing had to be maxed out with air. You don't. You only need enough air to keep your butt from hitting the ground, and you don't need to fill it all up with air. You just simply fill it with air. Each side, there's two sides, two mouths. You do one side, open it up, fill it with air, close that side, twist it up, push all the air to the front, unwind it, open up the other side quickly, fill it with air, twist it, wind it up, clamp it together, and that's all you do. It's very simple once you do it and get used to it and get it figured out. So some people are going to struggle with this because they're not going to understand how it works. But if they are resilient and they actually do understand how it works, you're going to like it. It's practical. You can use it for indoors as well, like I said, indoor, outdoor, beach, pool, whatever. So, and also I've seen someone, they've actually filled water inside here, so they laid inside as well, so it's kind of like a cheat pool. So they had water inside here as they were laying in it. So like on a hot day like today, put some water in there, go tanning, just lay in there. You know, that's something you could do as well. I honestly think it's kind of cool. At first as I was using it, testing, I thought, oh my word, this is ridiculous. Nobody's gonna like this. But as I started using it and getting used to it and realizing how it functions, how it works, I love it. I think it's really cool. It's something unique and different. And it is an air sofa. It's an air sofa, which is pretty cool, I have to admit. Costs nothing to fill it up, take it anywhere you want to go, unravel it, put it back in the case, carry it with you, wherever you want to go. It's like pretty simple. So I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. Actually probably a 7 out of 10. And why I give it a 7, which would be like a 3.5, 3.8 stars out of 5, is because some people are going to struggle at first with it. But I think the people that actually use it and get used to it, it's gonna take you like 2 minutes to do everything. For the people that are trying hard for the first time, it might take you 5 minutes to actually figure out how it works, figure out the 2 openings and whatnot. But after that, it's going to be easy to set up, easy to use. So it's getting a 7 out of 10, which is a 3.5 to 3.8 stars out of 5, which is a good score. You know, that is a good score for something like this. And normally I would probably give it like a 5.5 out of 10 if I was a newbie and didn't understand how it works. You know, if I would have just tried it really quickly for like 2 minutes and then give up, I probably would have gave it a bad score. But since I stuck with it, I got myself familiar with it, I used it, I actually enjoy it. It's pretty cool, especially, you know, inside you will watch movies or whatever you want with it. So after staying with it, working on it, and actually testing it out quite often, you know, off camera. Obviously I don't add all the footage in my videos. I tested it like rolling around with it and different stuff with it, running with it, putting air in different ways, and I have to say it was quite fun. You know, at first it was a workout because trying to figure it out, because I've never seen anything like this before. I've never reviewed anything like this before, and at first it was like, you know, what score am I gonna get? People are gonna understand this, but as I got used to it and used it, you know, easily gets a 7 out of 10, which is a good score from me. So thank you guys for watching. The link's in the video description if you're interested.